So today I just opened up this box that I got from Thrive. Absolutely love this company. It comes so fast. I didn't even know that it would be here today. So today this is your Granny Smith apples. The strawberries. I am trying the blackberries. Now I do have a problem with diverticulitis, so I'm not able to eat seeds. So even with strawberries, I have to be very careful because the seeds get into my stomach and it makes me very sick into my gut. So if you have that, what's super awesome about using Thrive is that you can actually turn these into a powder and it doesn't bother you. So you can put that in anything with the flavors that you're wanting, blackberries and strawberries, any of those with the seeds. So here today, I also have the vegetarian chicken bouillon. I don't know about you, but this is absolutely amazing. This is a good size, so 20.98 ounces of the Thrive Bullion. And as you know, most bouillon that you buy from the store at $2 and $3 and $4, it's all water. Can you believe it? So you mainly pay for water. So with vegetarian chicken bouillon, it's rich in chicken flavor, yet completely meat-free. It's cooking made simple, so stir it in your wild rice soup, sprinkle on Mexican rice, cook in zucchini bake, however you want. All you need is 1 tablespoon of bouillon for every cup of water. Did you see that? 1 tablespoon. I don't know about you, but this will last me quite a while. And bouillon is so amazing that you can have it dried and add your water. Stop paying for water at the store. Next, I did go ahead and go with the potato chunks. I do love the potato chunks because I will throw these into dinners. My favorite is breakfast burritos. Add this with the eggs. Maybe you want to do bacon, and you can do potato chunks. I will do all the little veggies that I get from Thrive Life. Next, I do have the green chili peppers. These are absolutely amazing. I constantly run out of these and I will need to do a bigger one. So I will definitely need to do more than the pantry can, but right now the pantry can works great. All right, I think we were out of pineapple right now. So I did go with the Snackies, those were available. And all I have to do is break these up, eat them like they are. You can eat them right out of the bag and just tear off this tab and go. It is resealable, so I absolutely love that. So you can reseal them, you can leave them in the car, you can always have them on hand. It's great for kids, so many things. And the ingredients is pineapple. How awesome is that? All right, I did also get some peaches. Peaches I will break up and put into my oatmeal. You can put them into drinks. You know, one of the things I just learned is that Starbucks actually uses freeze-dried strawberries and fruits. The reason why they do that is because it lasts longer and it doesn't put a bunch of water in the drinks. So it gives you that full flavor. Who knew? So even your big companies that you're constantly buying drinks from, buy freeze-dried, and right here you can buy from your own pantry. I also decided to do the Express. I have not tried these Express. My husband is very big on vegetable beef stew, so I'm going to try this and see how it goes. Super simple and easy. Instead of going through the drive-through, all you have to do is come home, just add water, and serve our savory vegetable beef stew in minutes. You could add rice to this. I know we used to do that all the time when that was just a favorite meal, and all you have to do is let it stand for 5 minutes, ready to go. So as soon as you come home from work or whatever you're doing, or dropping the kids off all day, this, just throw your water in it, then go change your clothes, get relaxed, come back in 5 minutes, you're ready and dinner is done. Awesome. Also, I went ahead and did the premium grains, which is the quick oats. This is the size 10 family can. This costs $6.64, I believe. Let's go back to this. Where are we? Quick Oats, $6.64, and this is for a number 10 can. Are you kidding me? That's absolutely amazing. These oats you could use with anything. Cookies, breakfast, putting it in meatloaf, whatever you want, but the can is huge and it will last you a long time. You're also buying from yourself, from your pantry, and not going to the store. If you'd like to learn more about Thrive Life, my name is Leah, and my information will be down below. I'd love for you to try out these amazing foods that you can have from the comfort of your home and enjoy the easy concept of just getting it at your door. I thank you for your time. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.